guys, we have successfully completed 1k views on our channel. Welcome back to another Tech Bite. Thanks for the love and support, and let's get started now. Apple's worldwide developer conference took place live on YouTube and Twitch, announcing many new advancements including iOS 14 and many more. Redmi Note 9 Pro went on sale on Tuesday in India and was shockingly sold out in just 90 seconds amid China products ban in India trend. Microsoft is shutting down its Twitch competitor Mixer and partnering with Facebook Gaming. It is a new app and portal on Facebook that primarily features game streaming. Mixer site will now redirect people to Facebook Gaming from now. Leaked email from Tesla dated back to 2012 reveals that Tesla knew its Model S battery had a design flaw that could lead to breakdowns and fires, but sold the cars anyway. Facebook on Friday announced that it would introduce a notification screen warning users if they try to share content that's more than 90 days old. Now no more old news, just stay updated. North Carolina health system Novant Health is using drones to deliver PPE kits. The deliveries are being fulfilled by unmanned drone startup Zipline. Zipline is known for its deliveries in Ghana and Rwanda.
Launching Zipline firing miner in 3, 2, 1. There it is.
On Sunday, T-Mobile official website took the lead in announcing the full name of iPhone 12 series. This is the first time that an official operator is revealing the model name of the iPhones. So that's it for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit on the like button, subscribe button, and share the videos, and hit on bell notification for more updates on tech.